Today I'm gonna show you guys the zebra plate for the 3D printer. And this is the zebra plate we got, and it's brand new. And this is the acrylic plate we used before. You can see there's a little bit bend in the middle. So that's why, like, when you use this kind of plate over time, it can cause the bend. That's why we choose the zebra plate. And with the acrylic plate, you have to use the glue tape to make it sticky enough for the item print on the board. But with the zebra plate, you don't need the blue tape anymore. And why it's called zebra plate? Because one side is white, the other side is dark, black. So if you want to print something darker, for example, the orange, it's good on white. And if you want to print something white, so you can print on the black plate. And I will show you, with some of the printer, you need to adjust the setting so the printer head, because you're gonna add a little bit thickness to your existing printing setting. So what you need to do, you need to print something called a spacer, something like this, and I will show you later how to put it on the printer. And you also gonna need the clip, so you can clip this thing. You can clip the zebra plate onto the board. Let's see. It's very hard to clip on, but once you clip on, it's very stable. You're gonna need to leave some space at the top here, because when you remove the plate from the printer, this side is the one you take the clip and lose the plate. Now let's go outside and put it onto the printer.